and welcome to Options Tender. It is Monday, and we're in a brand new year, brand new month, brand new quarter, brand new day. So let's kick right into it. Welcome. So if you haven't joined us before, we'd love to go through the multiple time frames first so we can see from the big picture view. We're going to go through it really fast, and then we'll get down to the ES to show what we might do for the day, and we have some names for you afterwards for some trade ideas and setups. So let's go through it. ES, we are on the monthly time frame. Elliott wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're working up our wave 5. You see this little candle there? That's the month of January just getting started. So we're making all-time highs again. We still have some room to go up, in my opinion. So let's look into the weekly now. Moving to the weekly, Elliott wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and I have some gibberish here. Those are some of our extensions, and we're working on wave 5 here. It looks like we're actually starting to gather some momentum to the upside. So let's continue to trail our stops and just be somewhat cautious, but we know we do not want to fight the trend. The trend is our friend, and that moves us to the daily time frame. Elliott wave 1 down to 2, 3, and in 4, and we are continuing on the upswing. On wave 5, we've been riding, just trying to get above this 8 MA. We popped above it, and now we are riding it up and making a little bit of separation here, and that's what we want. Check out this MACD. This is the only thing that was holding us back all of the last 2 weeks here, and we are making a bullish cross to the upside. That means that we could have plenty more momentum to the upside. We may be forming some bearish divergence, but that's okay. That's not a sell signal. This is an up move that we have to follow. It's a Santa Claus rally, and we're going to ride it. Down to, whoa, not the monthly board, the hourly, the one with all the lines on it. All right, well, let's see our current wave count. We have a wave 1, 2, 3. We're working on 3 right now. We are in a minute wave. We'll count this one with you on a smaller scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're working on wave 5 here. At the end of wave 5 on this one should end our wave 3 for the little bit larger scale. So we're kind of projecting around in this area 3,800 for that to end our wave 3. And then we eventually want to, sometime this week, end up at the expected move. So we have a little bit more upside to go, and we're going to check it out. We're going to ride it. So that's for the ES. Now we have a couple names. Flying is gold. I did share this with, we're going to do this on the daily so you can see what's happening here. I shared this on my Twitter page. So for any of you that follow me, Options Tender, all one word, on Twitter, Instagram, I share all of this stuff. I was sharing these last night. Huge breakout here. So gold is looking beautiful. Silver as well. You can play these futures. So you can do gold to GLD. Silver, you can play SLV. Wow, silver's leading here. We've broken out some time ago. It looks like at the middle of December, and it's working its way up here to the upper resistance. And then one of our favorites to play here, GDX, if we're playing gold. The thing is with GDX, they're the gold miners. Here's the futures, huge gap up. So the thing with GDX, if you have the S&P headed to the upside, along with gold headed to the upside, that's a perfect storm for GDX to really get going. You see the huge gap here, and I will be looking for a gap and go today on GDX. Okay, let's give you a couple names here. Beyond Meat, Fake Meat. Fake Meat had this huge ABC correction. We're looking at it, the first wave up one here, and we're looking for the wave two to end. And after we conclude that this ends, we'll look for a huge wave three. We'll even give you some extensions, just a preview what we're looking at. So one down to two, and that golden 161.8% is what our target will be. So that's way up there at 188.64 approximately. So that's going to be on our radar for the upcoming weeks. Neo, we're looking to enter again today. We had a wave one, two, and we're working on wave three up in the futures. The pre-market looking good, working its way to this upper resistance and beyond. RKT. You guys know, if you're following me, RKT is one of our favorites for 2021. It had a pullback. We're consolidating. We're getting in a real tight area. We had a little bit of bullish divergence, so this may be our liftoff to much higher rounds, much higher areas. So if you want to check out our 2021 pick of the year, I do a video on that. I'll put a card right above there. You can click on that and check that out later on. FLGT, one of our viewers gave us this idea. Oh, messed that one up. FLGT. It's a beautiful ascending triangle on the daily. So we have, we're expecting this one maybe up to the 80 range for the measured move. So we're on breakout watch for this one. It looks like it attempted to break out here to 56.50 and came back to back test, but we'll be watching this one really well. And a new IPO, abnb, that would be Airbnb. We are moving up in the after hours, probably starting on its wave three. Quickly looked at this one, so let's see. This would be a wave one, two, and working on wave three. So we'll see how that goes. We may enter this one as well. So thanks for joining me. Please, it's very important to press the like button. And if you want to see this information later on, get notified whenever we do this in the morning and after the market closes, also on the weekend, and some options trading strategies, some tools to get under your belt if you're new at this. Then hit that notification button. We appreciate everything. We want to share the wealth. We want everybody to learn. We want to be safe, careful out there. And, just don't chase these trades. We're in an exuberant market right now. We're probably going to get a little overextended. So just be careful. Keep your trades small. And, good luck trading. Thanks for joining us at Options Tender.